Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how you can build your own website for completely free. Yes, 100% free. You can save yourself the fee $29.99 by not having to pay to Shopify and put it in your own pocket. I think it's not fair for newcomers or new beginners who are just getting started to have to deal with Shopify fees over and over. So to save yourself from the $29.99 Shopify fees, I'm going to show you an option that you will not regret. This option is 100% free, so you don't have to pay anything. You don't even have to connect. So the website that we'll be using is called Big Cartel. So we're gonna go ahead and click open your store, easy. And as you can see, you can start with 5 products for free. You don't have to pay anything. It's completely free as long as you want it to be, and no credit card is required. That's the best part about this website. 5 products, you can publish it for free without having any card or any fees. Any fees required, completely free, all right? So we're gonna go ahead and sign up for that. Perfect. Once you've verified your email address for Big Cartel, you will see that this is a checklist that Big Cartel gives you to add a product, explore shopping profiles, connect your ID, design your shop, launch your shop. So right off the bat, we're going to go to design your shop because we want to be able to design it first, and then we'll add our products. For the name, I chose Pink Plushie because we'll be designing our store around plushies. You know, we can easily drop ship them from China and we can get the product images and all that. So let me show you exactly how you can do it too. So first you will go to design your shop, and right off the bat you can see it's in maintenance mode. So what that means is that it's not public yet, it's not been published. So we're gonna go ahead and design it right now. Okay, so first of all, as you can see, header image, which is very important. This is the image that people will see as soon as they come to your store. So make it clean, make it attractive. I'm gonna actually use Canva to design it for myself. So I'll be right back. Perfect. We were able to design a logo in Canva just like that. So right over here, you can see my header is ready to go. So next, we're going to go to repeating background. For this one, I want to have something that's very clean, but also kind of appeals to our buyers. So I'm just going to go to Google. All right, perfect. So I looked up kawaii repeating background because I know this is something cute and attractive. So this one seems very nice, but it looks like it might have some copyright watermark on it. All right, this is perfect. I don't like it. I'm not sure what it is, but something about the fact that like it seems so much. But for now, we're gonna leave it. For our background, this is what we're gonna use, and this is how it looks like. So kind of cool. Okay, perfect. Let's go to the next one. So you can add slideshow if you wanted to. It's very easy. You could just add 5 images of your slideshows, but we're gonna skip that for now. We're gonna keep going down and see if we can add our socials over here. Okay, so we're in maintenance, featured products, 12. Okay, perfect. So over here, you can add your socials. So if you had a Facebook page or an Instagram page, this is exactly where you would add them. So for example, I'm going to add an Instagram page. So to see what that looks like, I'm just going to do this. I want to see exactly. So at the bottom, that's where it would appear. So we're just going to add the Big Cartel ones for this example, and we'll see exactly what those look like. All right, perfect. So at the bottom, you can see that's where all the socials get added. So we have Tumblr, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Tumblr, Twitter. You got it. Once that's done, we're actually just going to go ahead and click publish. Perfect. Now that it's published, we're going to go ahead and click exit at the bottom. So our design is done. Next thing, let's go ahead and add products to our store. So for this one, it's going to be very easy as we already know where our products are. They're on AliExpress. So let's go ahead and download all the images. You can also go ahead and upload a CSV file if you wanted to, if you have one already ready to go. So you could go ahead and do that. But in my case, I don't have that file. So we're going to go ahead and upload them manually by going to click add product. Over here, you need an image. So with the free plan, you can only add 1 image. So we have 2 options. Either we can take one of our best images and upload them here, or we can divide an image into 4 sections like a collage and have it that way. So let's see what works best for us. I'm actually gonna go ahead with the boba bubble tea. So let's see, let it load. Okay, there we have it. Easy, you can see there are 3 of a kind. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and do the product name. So for the product name, we're gonna go ahead and name it Boba Plush. Try to keep it simple, but also give them a good idea of what they're getting. So that's the whole idea. So for this page, I'm actually going to use another website and make my life easy for this example purpose. All right, so for this example, I'm just gonna stick to one price for one plushie. We're not gonna get into detail of adding individual options, just to keep the tutorial very short. But right over here, you can add multiple options. So this could be like 25 centimeters, and then the next one could be 39 centimeters. And that way you can go ahead and also add the prices. So for that one, $39.99 is good, but for this one, maybe it is, $45.99. So that's how you will be able to add different options, multiple options, while still showing them one product image. They can purchase multiple sizes or for multiple prices. Okay, so that's how you will be able to add the option on sale. So you can add a discount. Okay, but we'll get it back. We'll get into that in a bit. So shipping is very important because this is how you will be able to charge your customers shipping fee. So let's go ahead and add one. So for us, the first one will be United States. And we're going to cancel that. So for a loan, we're going to do $59.99, and with others, it's going to be free. So if they purchase more than one item, it's completely free. So there you go. That's the catch. And next thing, we're going to go ahead and add Canada. So for Canada, we'll do the same thing, $55.99. And with others, $0. So again, if they purchase two products, it's completely free. Okay, this one you can figure out with your accountant, but you don't need to worry about this unless you're getting started. So this is our first product. Perfect. We're gonna go ahead and save this. Perfect, product is saved. Next, we're gonna actually add 2 or 3 products just so I can show you an example of how it looks like on your store. Again, like I said, you could do 25 centimeters, that price, and then 35 centimeters, a different price, which is very important because, that's how you make your margins. So there we go. We're almost done with the second product. Again, shipping, we're going to do Canada, $5.99, and then United States. Oh, United States. Perfect. Again, $5.99. Once that's done, you're going to save it. Let me quickly add all the products so I can show you exactly what it's going to look on your website. I'll be right back. Perfect. So here we have it. We have added 5 products, just like the free Big Cartel plan lets us do. 5 products for free without any cards required. Okay. So we're going to go back to dashboard, and over here, we're going to complete all the other checklists that are required by us. So connect a payment processor. So for this one, this is very important because this is how you'll be able to charge your customers and actually collect payment. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. So in my case, I actually go ahead and connect both Stripe and PayPal. You can do the same. I'm actually not going to go ahead and do this right now for the tutorial because I already have the account for that. But if you have any questions, you can reach out to Stripe or PayPal and they will be more than happy to help you set up the store. Or you can actually comment down below and I'm sure either myself or one of you guys can actually help each other out. All right, let's go back to the next thing. Once your payment processor is completed, we actually have to launch our shop. Before we can do that, we have to add a location of our shop. Okay, we were able to add the location of our shop, and actually this is what the dashboard will look like. Over here you can see how many visitors you're getting to your website, as well as how many orders you're getting and how many views each product is getting. If you know one product is doing amazing than the other, maybe you can add more products based on that product completely for free for 5 products without having to add any credit card information or anything like that. Also, one of the things that's very important is to add discounts to get your customers excited to be able to add those, target prices and stuff. So by adding discounts, it's very important. Either you can do on specific price, orders, free shippings, entire product. This way you can create discount codes, to be able to send emails to your customers using MailChimp or anything like that. Again, this is a completely free option for you. You don't have to do anything. Last but not least, being able to remove the big cartel from your name can be important, but for me, it hasn't really mattered if there's big cartel in the name or not. So if you wanted to remove the domain from your name, if you wanted to remove the big cartel from your name, you would just have to go on Google and purchase one of the Google domains. But now let's check out the website. Okay, so that you can see this is how the website looks like. And it took me maybe 10 to 15 minutes to get this done, to add a logo, to get all the images and have it ready to go up here. The things I would change over here is probably the background, because it's a bit hard to read. So you know what, before we end this video, let's go ahead and change the background quickly. Alright guys, I wasn't happy with the previous background and I was able to change it just like that, and you can see it looks so much cleaner than it did before. And there you have it, 5 products completely for free, so you don't have to pay $29.99 to Shopify. This is completely free, you don't need a credit card or anything else, okay? So if you really enjoyed the video, if you gained any knowledge out of this video, be sure to like, subscribe to my channel. It really does help me a lot. Thank you so much. Thank you so much everyone who watches my video. I love you guys. Thank you.